Even though when I find anyone in my family even coughing or sneezing, I think of the worst. And I think that the worst should not happen. And I cannot change that thought. Still, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself, even though I keep thinking of this worst. I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself, even though with the slightest sign of sneezing, coughing, common things, I think of the worst disease. I am afraid that it has entered my house. I worry that it may happen to my family. Still, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself, even though I have this bad habit of thinking all the worst. I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Eyebrow point. Thinking of the worst. Eye end point. This always thinking of the worst. Below the eyes. This worry. Below the nose. This thinking of the worst. Chin groove. This worry. Below the collarbone. This thinking of the worst. Below the armpit. This worry. On the lower ribs. This thinking of the worst. Thumbnail. This worry. Forefinger. This thinking of the worst. Middle finger. This worry. Little finger. This thinking of the worst. Karate chop. Still, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to be free from this worry, and I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to, I choose to let go this thinking of the worst, and I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to be alert and think positive. Give positive inputs to my subconscious. Only think contributory thoughts. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to know what is beneficial thought for me and think only beneficial thoughts. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Eyebrow point. Free from worry. Free from this worry. Eye end point. Let go this worry. Below the eyes. Free from negative thinking. Below the nose. Let go expecting the worst. Chin groove. Let go expecting the worst. Below the collarbone. Let go expecting the worst. Below the armpit. Let go expecting the worst. On the lower ribs. Let go expecting the worst. Thumbnail. Let go expecting the worst. Forefinger. Let go expecting the worst. Middle finger. Let go expecting the worst. Little finger. Let go expecting the worst. Eyebrow point. Think only positively beneficial thoughts. Beneficial thoughts. Eye point. Be aware of my thinking. Below the eyes. Constantly be aware of what I am thinking. Below the nose. Choose positively contributing thoughts. Chin groove. Think beneficially. Below the collarbone. Think the thoughts that are beneficial to me. Below the armpit. Think only beneficial thoughts. On the lower ribs. Think beneficially. Thumbnail. Think beneficially. Forefinger. Think positive thoughts. Middle finger. Think positive thoughts. Little finger. Think positive thoughts. Karate chop. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Massage the tender spot on the shoulder as you take a deep breath in. Gently press and hold the point as you breathe out long from the mouth. What's on the mind?